Are we good?
Echt vorsichtig machen.
Ich sehe richtig dämlich aus. I love it.
Hello lovely people of the sun, how is everybody doing? I'm personally doing really great. I just took my vlogging camera, you can probably tell in the back. I'm really sorry, I hate it too when I see people vlogging their mirrors. It kind of stresses me out, I don't know why. Okay, so what is going on is that currently it's 5:20 p.m. And I'm about to leave in like 20 minutes for photo shooting. And on Instagram, if you're not following me there, you should, because I'm doing polls all the time for you to decide what you want to see on my channel. Well, I actually asked you guys if you want to see some behind the scenes from different shootings, and literally everyone except 2 people said yes. So this is what we're doing today. You probably know her if you're already following me on Instagram or if you're watching TikTok in general. So she's a dear friend of mine, and yeah, I'm about to prep my stuff and then we are going to go. I'm not going to take that much, I'm just going to take my camera. For anyone wondering what I might be using, I am using this camera, which is Panasonic Lumix G81 with a 12 to 60 millimeters lens. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using today. We are about to shoot with a sunset, so I might take my reflector, I don't know yet. But yeah, I guess I'm just going to put you guys away and take you back when I'm with her, and then we'll show you the location and some behind the scenes. Let's go. Found the model of the day. Hi. And you can probably see the sun is already setting, so we gotta hurry to take the pics. But I think it actually looks so beautiful. Junge, wir sehen so gut aus im Licht.
Oh, ich sehe nix. Love that.
Love that. Ja, ich will mal sagen, wir gehen da hinten und wir machen dann die Bilder. Okay. Okay. Echt hoch da, also das hier muss echt vorsichtig machen. Das ist krank hoch, Digga. Fuck. Bitte. Hast du... Ja, also wird schon... Nee. Aber hat mir schon den Rest gegeben. Muss ich die Brille anziehen? Nee. Guck einfach geradeaus.
Hätten ja mehrere Outfits nehmen sollen.
Ach Quatsch.
Okay. Are we good?
Okay, so what's currently happening is we're on a parking lot and she's basically going to go up there. We don't know if it's legal. Worst case scenario, we might die. Huh?
Stell dir mal vor, du fällst runter. Bitte nicht.
Well,
Eating first. Food. Food is always the way to go. We love those angles.
du, ich habe ein Doppelkinn.
Okay, setz dich mal da hin. Ach Gott.
Mein BH rutscht. Bro. Die Welt einfach.
So, she's currently making stories. We got the shots that we need. So I'd say, let's go eat. Lass mal Fugen gehen.
Ich chill hier oben.
Okay, so I just got home. I need to take my makeup off and then I need to sort out all the pictures, which is probably going to take a while. So I'm just going to do that. Take you along with me and I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hey, okay, so today is actually 2 days after the shooting. I didn't get the chance to directly watch all the pictures that I took on the same day because honestly when I came home I was way too tired, and yesterday, so the day after the shooting, I had way too many things to do for college. So what I'm about to do now is basically just go through all of the pictures and decide which one I want to take to edit, and then I'm going to edit them, send them to Diana, the person I shooted with, and yeah, let's do this. I hope you like the process. You might, if you want, I might actually show you guys what I'm using as software for editing all of the pictures, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it because we have a lot of things to do. So basically I just retouched the first picture. I still have a couple of them to do. What I usually do when we're going on a shooting, we have a couple of different locations or just one location but different spot in that location. So what I would do is go through each spot basically and then choose how I want to edit them on my computer on Lightroom. And then go through my phone to put some presets on them that I work with to have a theme for each season or each chapter or each project, really it depends. But yeah, this is basically what I'm doing. So I'm going to do the rest and I'll see you at the end for the results.